Can I get a whoop?
There it is, sir. Oh.
Can I expect you're going to do that when I have all kinds of teachers in here? Come on back, come on back, come on back.
I'm ready.
Okay, we're working here though, so sit down and do it on the floor. You can sit on the floor, do it. All right. It says we need to try, so I wrote the target as 1400, right? That's what it said it wanted us to try to get, yes, no?
Yeah.
And then I wrote these four numbers. Where did these four numbers come from? Anybody? From where? From the problem, right? Those were the numbers they gave me. Okay, what could we do with these numbers? It says product, so what did product mean again? It means what? Multiplication, right? The answer to, so we know we're going to have to multiply, so I'm going to do a time symbol. And it says I have to use two of these. Okay? So I have to use two of these, and so if I was doing like 66 times 42, it's a little frustrating because I haven't learned how to do this yet. Personally, I have, but I haven't taught you guys how to do this yet. So this is kind of frustrating. But if I read my I can statement and it says I can find estimated products by rounding factors. So what, somebody tell me, what could I do with these two numbers? What could I do with these two numbers? Kenzie?
You can round the 66 into 70.
66, so I can turn this into a 70? How did you get that?
Because if you look at the first 6, you look back, and the 6 says go higher.
How do you know it says to go higher? What numbers tell you to go up? What numbers tell you to go down?
1, 2, 3, 4 tells you to go down. 5, 6, 7.
Is it just 1, 2, 3, and 4? And a 0? Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 tell you to go down. And 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 tell you to go up.
Yes.
And 6 was in what one? The up one? Okay, so that's why I went to there. So then what would I do with the next number? Ashton, what would I do with the next number? 42 is still too tough for me.
You would round it to 40.
Okay, so you round it down because it's the rule tells us to round down. And then I would do 70 times 40. So 7 times 4 is 28. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2,800.
Yeah.
Am I close to this?
No.
No, I'm way out here.
You're at the minus there.
Okay, but maybe that's the closest one though. Maybe that's the closest one.
Now you have to use the other two numbers.
I have to. Can I use one of the other numbers, or do I have to use the other two?
Yeah.
So I could do 18 times 42.
Yeah.
You could, but it might be wrong.
Okay. Can I try it?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to try 18 times 42 now. 18 times 42. And I'm going to use that strategy Mackenzie and a few others were telling me, or Ashton. 18, I'm going to round that up to 20. And I'm going to round 42 down to 40. So I got 2 times 4 is 8.
Cross out the 2 zeros.
2 times 4 is 8 in my book.
Oh, yeah.
Cross off my 2 zeros, and I got an answer of 800. Now we're kind of on the other side. Too low. Too high, too low. So this one didn't really get me super close. This one didn't get me super close. Which one's closer?
18 times 6.
How could I find out which one's closer?
Subtract.
Subtract what?
For the 800, you could add up and bring
I'm sorry, Ethan. What could I subtract?
For the 800, you can add the
Oh, I could add up from here to see how far away it is.
add 100 each time. Like to 900.
So 1,500, 1,600. Oh, I could add up from here.
Yeah.
900, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 1,300, 1,400. So how many hundreds is it away? 600. So this is 600 away. How far away is this one? Do you want me to do that same adding up thing?
No, you want to subtract.
Just subtract those two?
No, subtract. Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah.
0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 8 minus 4, 2 minus 1, so it's 1,400 away. So this one's 600 away, this one's 1,400 away. So which one's closer? 800, you guys are right. I could have done a subtraction problem here too, you know that?
Yeah.
I could have done 1,400 minus 800,
Yeah.
and I would have gotten 600. But I like your strategy, that was kind of a clever, quick way to do it. Okay, so those two, well, I can actually erase this one. And this one, because that's not my closest, this one is. Hey, I found it, right? Did I find my answer?
Gotta do the other two.
Or are there other ones to try?
Yeah.
Oh,
Like 18 and 66.
18 and 66.
Yeah, that's what I did.
All right, 18 and 66. 18 becomes 20, 66 becomes 70. 2 times 7 is 14. Cross off my 2 zeros. 1,400. All right, and it's the same number. I found it exactly.
Good job, Miss
Bullseye. Bullseye. I hit it. Bullseye. Woohoo! Shh. All done, right?
No, you have 18 and 71.
There's another one that can get me.
Yes.
Dude.
There's more too.
Time out.
You can do 7. You can do 7.
Time out. I got a bullseye. There's no way I can get any closer.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
No.
Exactly.
No, this is 66 times 18. This one's 71 times.
Get it round to the same
You
numbers.
said-
To the same numbers.
66 and round to the
70 and 20. Oh, it is going to get me the same.
But bam!
Okay, I got a question for you. I got a question for you. Eyes. Eyes. Shh. These both round to 70 and 20, which gets me the answer of 1,400 or 1,400. But if I were to multiply these without rounding, if I had to round these with, if I had to find the exact answer with both of these, Noah, one of them would be closer to 1,400.
Can we do it?
They both round to 1,400,
Yeah, let's
but
find
one of
out.
them is going to have an answer closer to 1,400.
Let's find out.
Shh. You should be able to figure out just by looking at the numbers.
Hello.
Hi.
Can we have Christina ready to go, please?
Yep.
Thank you.
Hi, Christine. Hope you feel better, huh? It is. She messed up her name. Guys, gals. Are you team orange or team pink? Which one do you think is actually going to be? Okay. If you think this one's going to get you an answer closer to 1,400, go to the south wall. If you think this one's going to get you an answer closer to 1,400, go to the north wall. Orange question, pink question. Move to the wall that you think is going to.
Pink. You said orange. Yeah, but I like orange. I know.
But you think the pink one's going to get you closer?
Wait.
Pink is here, orange is over there. And you're not voting on what your favorite color is, guys, gals.
Yeah, anyway, if that was that, I would go over there. I was thinking, yeah.
too.
And we'll say your color.
Shall I solve them for you?
Yes.
And then explain? Well,
Yeah.
before I do that, no. Let's stop for a second. Eyes here. You guys think one way, you guys think another way. Could either person from either side defend why you believe that your side is correct? Aaliyah, come on up to the board. Why do you think yours is going to get you closer?
Orange could be closer because 18 and 18 are the same numbers,
Yeah?
but 66 and 77. 66 is lower than 77.
Where do you see 77 over here, hon?
I mean, not 77, 71.
Okay.
And since 66 is smaller than 71, it will be closer.
Okay. Okay. So 66 is lower than 71, so it's going to make it closer. Okay. Anybody on this side want to defend your answer? Why you think this side?
No.
I just realized.
There's a reason that you chose that side, so why'd you choose this side?
Me?
Yeah, sure.
I don't know why I chose this side. Well, I chose this side because I thought it was 71 18s, 71 18s.
71 18s.
Yes.
Okay. Versus 66 18s.
Let's explain it now. Now we have both sides.
You guys ready?
I should have done it.
What side are you on? So go there.
What side are you on? The chair.
Here, Riley, what side are you on? Okay. Shh. Guys, gals. 20 times 40 got us exactly where we wanted to go, right? 20 times 70 got us exactly where we wanted to go. To get to 70 and 20, what did we have to add here? Plus 2 and plus 4. So I had to add 6 to get to this, to get to 1400. This one, I had to add 2, so I rounded up 2, but I had to take 1 away from here, so I only had a difference of plus 1 from the actual factor here. I had to change these numbers. Hey, I had to change these numbers quite a bit to get this, whereas I had to change these numbers just a little bit to get to this. So 66. So 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 4. 6 times 8 is 48 again. The actual answer for this one is, sorry, I should have done that in orange, shouldn't I? The actual answer for this factor is 1,188. Okay, so is that exactly 1,400? No. But maybe we'll get there. Let's try this one. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 7 is 56. Okay. Yes, no? And then 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7. I add those up. Which one's closer? Pink. Say where you're at. This one actually is, this one was closer to, this one was actually closer to 1,400 than this one. Because I had to change this one more to get to that answer. This one I had to change less. It was already almost 70 times 20. Okay? Okay. So, Mr. Ashton, you were doubting yourself the whole time because you saw bigger numbers over here. You gotta trust yourself. You gotta trust yourself. All right. All right. Get a whiteboard, please. Whiteboard.
Yes, sir. The smaller group will always win.
Do we have people who are picking through the colors of the markers?
No,
We'll have to. Oh, we'll have to make them be last because they're slowing you up.
I'm picking my colors because of my colors. Yeah, I'm picking my colors because of my colors. I always see. The orange is the orange, which is my special one, is always on top of every mark.
Oh yeah.
You can have it. Did you do that? I don't.
It's, I can feel it's rough. It's making my marker stick. This isn't an eraser.
I know. Can I help you? No, Can I erase the rest of that?
All right, yo-yo class.
Yeah.
Make sure you choose wisely, otherwise you'll get one of those passes that tell you you can't sit anywhere you have to sit or seat. All right, here we go. You ready? You ready to do some of this work?
Yes, sir.
Here you go. Solve this problem. Don't do that, please. Solve this problem by doing the I can statement. Round the factors to find an estimated product. Round the factors. Don't find. I do not want the exact answer. I will not take the exact answer because that's not the work I'm asking you to do today. Round the factors to find an estimated product. If you get that one done, try this. Okay, let me model this here quickly for you. Yep, well, no. I'll show you in a second. See if you can find your mistake before I show you. Now you got it. Alright, 32 is close to what? 32 is close to what?
30.
30. 28 is close to what?
30.
So you rounded your factors. Good job on step one. You did step one. Then what do you have to do?
Add all. Times them.
30 times 30, so 3 times 3 is?
9.
And then I go 1, 2, 1, 2.
Yes.
My answer is 900.
I got it right.
You haven't gotten there though. You didn't round these. Oh, 30 and 30. Yes. Okay. Yes. I see what you're saying. I'm sorry. All right. Looking at this one, I know a lot of you didn't get a chance to do it, but 96. What does 96 round to?
100.
It rounds to 100.
Oh.
What is 21 round to?
20.
20. What is 2 times 1?
2.
And then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Is that the exact answer?
No.
No. But was I looking for the exact answer?
No.
No. My I can statement says find estimated products, not exact products. Okay?
Some more.
I haven't done an accent in a while. You're right. Alright, ladies and gentlefolk,
Yay.
let's solve this one. You need to round each of the factors. So round, you need to round them, Mr. Zachary. Shh. You need to round not just one of the factors,
But I can't. Around it.
but both. No, you know what. Don't say what. And you owe me a small one now. 57.5, looks back at the 7. The 7 says go.
Wait, is this estimated total?
Yes.
Okay.
Says go up, so I'm going to make you a 60. Don't come up in trouble. 48, the 4 knocks on the door. The 8 says go
Up.
up, not go down, go up. So it goes to 50. So first thing you need to ask yourself is, did I round correctly?
Yes. Yeah.
If you went down to 40 or down to 50 on the first one, then you made a mistake.
I got it already.
Did you really?
Yes. No, wrong. You did it wrong.
Mr. Zach, come here.
Yes. Zach. Yes.
Mr. Zach.
Not.
6 times 5 is what? That's 30. Okay, look at Zachary.
Yes.
Tell me, I want you to go, oh, when you notice something. 6 times 5 is 30, right?
No.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Yes.
You fell into the trap, my friend, of your
I'm not
product.
Hermione from Harry Potter.
Look at me, my friend. You did 6 times 5, which ends in a 0. So you thought to yourself, oh, I only need 1 more 0. That's why I have taught you the trick of saying 1, 2, 1, 2.
I like that.
Yes.
Well, my friend,
Zach, I did that
thought incorrectly. But that means your brain went like this. What happened to your brain? Because you noticed the mistake.
That was kind of slow.
Shh. One last one. This is your exit ticket. This is your exit ticket, and then you can go and work on. There's a practice buddy for you.
Yay.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Zachary is going to give you a 2-digit number.
56.
Okay. 56 times 83. Good luck when you find it and you answer it. Go ahead and bring your answer to me. You can stop filming now.